Hello viewers, if you are new to my channel then please subscribe my channel, and if you like the video then press the like button, share the video as much as possible. Today I am sharing the B.ed third semester file regarding the chemistry subject, having the lesson plan about Is Matter Around Us Pure of 9th class. First, you have to write down the student teacher name, class, school topic, then date, day, duration, period. General objective as per lesson plan 1. If you wanna write it down, then you can go to the chemistry playlist and watch the video. Specific objective: students will acquire knowledge about the solution, solubility, suspension and colloid. In this lesson plan we will discuss about the solution, solubility, suspension and colloid, difference between suspension and colloid, Tyndall effect and separation of mixtures having different techniques. So today's specific objectives are that for students. Now teaching aids we used blackboard, chalk, duster, chart, etc. Teaching method: today we are using the method explanation method. Previous knowledge: we suppose that the students have already knowledge about matter, compound, mixture and different types of mixture because we already discussed it in previous lesson. Now you can ask the introductory questions related to the today's topic, that what is water state, then students are giving answer liquid, then what is the state of glucose, then students give the answer solid, then what it will be formed when mixing together, that together it will form mixture. So what do you understand by solution? Students are giving no response, so that is problematic question for them. So here you have to give the statement of M that so students, today we will learn about the solution and techniques for separating the mixture. So what is solution? You are defining it through the presentation, the teaching point, student teacher activity and student activity in your lesson plan file. If you want to write it down in your lesson plan file, then take the screenshot and write it as it is. Now what is solution? Solute plus solvent is solution. So solute, the substance which is dissolved to make solution, known as solute. So like salt, sugar, that are solutes. Now what is solubility? The maximum amount of the solute to form a saturated solution at a given temperature is known as the solubility of solute. Here you can write down the student activity like listening carefully, or if they are writing notes. Now formula of solubility is mass of solute upon mass of solvent into 100, and types of solution is saturated and unsaturated. Here you can write down the student activity is listening. Now what is saturated solution? A solution is said to be saturated if it has maximum amount of the solute dissolved in it at a given temperature and no solute can be dissolved further. Now what is unsaturated solution? A solution is said to be unsaturated if the more amount of solute can be dissolved in it at a given temperature. Now you can show the suspension and colloid difference by the chart. So here I am representing the chart. 3 columns, that is property, suspension and colloidal solution. First you have to write down the particle size, that is 100 nanometer. More than 100 nanometer in suspension, and in colloidal solution it is 1 to 100 nanometer. Now property is separation by ordinary filtration, that is possible in suspension solution and not possible in colloidal solution. Now setting of particle, that is settle of their own in suspension, and in colloidal solution settle only on centrifugation. Appearance of the solution in suspension, that is opaque appearance, and in colloidal solution generally transparent. Now the Tyndall effect. Suspension solution shows the Tyndall effect as well as colloidal also shows the Tyndall effect. Diffusion of particles. Suspension may do not diffuse particles, and in colloidal solution the solutions diffuse particles slowly. Now Brownian moment may be show, may not be shown in suspension solution, and in colloidal solution it will definitely show. Nature heterogeneous in suspension solution and homogeneous in colloidal solution. Tyndall effect. In a colloidal solution the particles are big enough to scatter light, and in this scattering of light particle is known as Tyndall effect. You can show the diagram by the chart. that, and you can write down the student activity that looking at chart. In this diagram, the Tyndall effect is shown. So the torch, it is a source of light, and solution of copper sulfate does not show Tyndall effect, but mixture of water and milk shows the Tyndall effects in A and B respectively. Now separation of mixture. The mixture had two or more than two substance or constituent mixed, so they need to be separated. Now various methods are commonly used. Processes which are used to separate the constituents of mixture are sublimation, filtration, centrifugation, evaporation, crystallization, chromatography, distillation, fractional distillation, and separating funnel. Now recapitulation question are: define solution and its types, what are the method for separation of mixture, what is solubility, and you can give the class work, that is formula of solubility, and scattering of light by particle known as dash, that is fill in the blanks, and solution is equals to dash plus dash, so you have to fill in the blanks to the students. Now homework you can give regarding this chapter, that write down the difference between suspension and colloid particles. Blackboard work is matter around is pure, class, and date. You can write down the solubility definition. The maximum amount of the solute to form a saturated solution at a given temperature is known as solubility of solute, and give the formula, that is mass of solute upon mass of solvent into 100. So today's lesson plan regarding matter around us pure is completed. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please subscribe my channel, share and like the video. Thank you. And here the chapter is completed. In next video, we will talk about the lesson 3rd, that is atoms and molecules. Thank you.